Welcome to this tutorial on how to trade gold on Moomoo, a popular online trading platform. Trading gold can be a great way to diversify your investment portfolio and potentially earn profits. To get started, you will need to download and install the Moomoo app on your mobile device or access it through the website. First, create an account on Moomoo by providing the required personal and financial information. Once your account is verified, you can log in and navigate to the trading section. Search for gold in the search bar and select the gold futures or gold ETF you want to trade. Before placing a trade, it is essential to understand the different types of orders you can use. A market order will execute your trade at the current market price, while a limit order will execute your trade at a specific price you set. You can also set a stop-loss order to limit your potential losses if the price of gold moves against you. To place a trade, enter the amount of gold you want to buy or sell and select the order type. You can also set a leverage ratio to amplify your potential gains. But be aware that using leverage can also increase your potential losses. It is crucial to stay up to date with market news and trends to make informed trading decisions. Moomoo provides real-time market data and analysis tools to help you stay ahead of the game. You can also set price alerts to notify you when the price of gold reaches a specific level. Risk management is a critical aspect of trading gold. Set a budget and stick to it, and never invest more than you can afford to lose. It is also essential to diversify your portfolio by trading different assets to minimize your risk. In conclusion, trading gold on Moomoo can be a great way to earn profits. But it requires knowledge, skill, and discipline. By following these steps and staying informed, you can make informed trading decisions and achieve your investment goals. Remember to always prioritize risk management and never invest more than you can afford to lose. With practice and patience, you can become a successful gold trader on Moomoo.